Tupavco TEX-200 Ethernet Extender Kit. Insane 5,000 feet cable hack or total scam? Real-world test. Ever feel like your network is sabotaging your business? Whether it's that distant security camera dropping offline, your VoIP phone glitching mid-call, or your network flat-out refusing to reach the next building, being stuck in tech limbo drains your patience fast. Wireless feels like a gamble, expensive fiber quotes make your wallet cry, and patchy Ethernet extensions? A total waste of time. You're frustrated, overwhelmed, and frankly tired of flaky solutions that overpromise but underdeliver. At this point, even your focus is wired wrong thanks to unreliable gear blocking your workflow and motivation. Now, imagine the stakes climbing. You've got deadlines looming, clients waiting, and critical devices down. Stress ramps up when your IT guy suggests rerunning new fiber like that's some casual $10 fix. Missed data streams mean missed opportunities, whether it's lost surveillance footage, dropped calls, or productivity wrecked across departments. Every patch cable you run feels like duct taping a dam. Meanwhile, your wireless router throws tantrums just when you need it most. Face it. Every minute you lose fighting unreliable networks is a minute lost scaling your business or just breathing easy. Your frustration? Absolutely justified. That's where the Tupavco TEX-200 Ethernet Extender Kit changes the game. This isn't your grandpa's Ethernet hack, this is next-gen VDSL2 magic. With simple plug-and-play setup, no drivers, no headaches, and speeds up to 300 megabits per second over phone lines or Cat 5/6, the TEX-200 stretches your network up to 5,000 feet. Yes, 5,000. Whether bridging remote offices, powering up distant IP cameras, or connecting network backbones without pricey fiber, TEX-200 just works. Its 8 DIP switch profiles let you fine-tune speed and stability like a networking pro, while built-in LEDs keep status checks effortless. This isn't an upgrade, it's a breakthrough. Here's the deal. The TEX-200 isn't just about distance, it's about control. From symmetrical/asymmetrical modes to G.INP noise immunity and advanced VDSL2 tuning, this kit adapts to your exact needs. Plug it in, watch it work, and breathe easy as your devices stay connected with rock-solid reliability. Forget expensive rewiring. Forget Wi-Fi dead zones. Forget signal drop nightmares. Thousands of businesses and home users have already simplified their setups with TEX-200. Curious how far your network can really go? Hit play and let this Ethernet Extender Kit surprise you. Ready to stop losing signal and sanity? Limited stock means you'll want to grab your Tupavco TEX-200 kit today. Join thousands of users who've already extended their networks without the fiber price tag. Whether you're connecting offices, cameras, or your smart farm halfway across a field, this is the tech hack pros trust. Don't wait for the next connection drop, secure your TEX-200 now, while supplies last. Plug it in, power up, and never look back. Click buy, beat the distance, and win your network back.